In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register Sendwave in Kenya using USA VPN. We'll walk through the entire setup from installing a VPN to creating your Sendwave account, with tips to keep the process smooth and secure. First, install a trusted VPN app such as Proton VPN or Windscribe. Using a reputable provider helps ensure a stable connection and better privacy. Make sure your phone's operating system is up to date and grant the VPN any necessary permissions so it can create the connection properly. Next, open your VPN and connect to a server located in the United States. If your app offers auto select or shows server load, choose a location with good speed for a reliable connection. Keep the VPN connected throughout registration to prevent any hiccups. Now open the Google Play Store or the App Store. If Sendwave doesn't appear right away, clear the Play Store cache on Android or refresh your App Store settings on iOS. You may also need to switch your store region to the United States temporarily. These adjustments help the store display apps available in the selected region. Search for Sendwave and install it. Once installed, open the Sendwave app. On the welcome screen, tap Sign Up. Enter your full name exactly as it appears on your identification, then enter your email address. You'll see a flag icon next to the phone number field. Tap the flag to open the country list. You can search or scroll to find the correct country code, then select it. Enter your Kenyan phone number carefully, double checking for accuracy since you'll receive a verification code on that number. Tap the prompt that asks where you're sending first and choose the appropriate country to personalize your setup. Check the box to accept the terms and policies after reviewing them, then tap Sign Up. A verification code will be sent to your mobile number. Keep your VPN on, ensure your phone has network coverage, and enter the code exactly as received. Next, create a secure PIN you'll remember, then confirm it by entering it again. Avoid simple sequences and don't share this PIN with anyone. After confirmation, you should see a message indicating your account has been created. If anything doesn't load, verify that your VPN is still connected and try again. As a general reminder, always follow local laws and the app's terms of service when using a VPN. That's it, your Sendwave account is ready. Keep your login details safe and you're good to go.